Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The new Corolla is adorned with modified radiator grille, newly framed fog light and new alloy wheels. The J-Safe unit made up of LED daytime running light and indicator has a fresh light signature. The new finish juniper blue metallic and marlin gray metallic gives scope for personalization. The interior features new graphic, trim and upholstery. Colors and surface are finally coordinated to create a modern and valuable appearance. Customer can still choose between two efficient hybrid drives, the 1.8-liter and a 2.0-liter engine. The entry-level variant benefits from a 15% increase in output to 103 kW or 140 horsepower. This accelerates the Corolla from 0 to 100 km per hour in 9.2 seconds. The larger 2.0-liter hybrid drive also gets a boost. The system output increased by 8% to 140 per kilowatt or 196 horsepower, which shortened the sprint to the 100 mark to 7.5 seconds. Both drives are combined with a new lithium-ion hybrid battery. Toyota was able to minimize the size and weight, down 14% of the battery, while increasing performance by 14%. Thanks to the compact dimension, the battery can be accommodated completely under the rear seat. The loading space remains untouched and offers the usual generous amount of space. Other improvements: a new quieter cooling system and an extended surface light.